everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm so excited. I'm pretty much always excited, but I'm extra excited today because we are opening not only a new beauty box, but this beauty box happens to be completely cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, full of eco-conscious ingredients, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. And this box is called the Nourish Beauty Box. How cute is the box too? So as many of you know, I am cruelty-free, and I am so thrilled to see that there are more cruelty-free beauty boxes on the market, including Nourish Beauty Box. So this was kindly sent to me free for review. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the box and we will do an unboxing. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes. If you love subscription boxes too, especially beauty boxes, I would absolutely love if you join and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And we actually do have a giveaway going on our channel right now. If you guys have not checked that out yet, I will link the giveaway video at the end of this one. So Nourish Beauty Box, this is monthly. It's available on Cratejoy for $29.95 and it ships to many countries actually. So it ships to the US, of course, because that's where I am. It also ships to Canada. There's a whole list of countries you can check out if you go to the link down below. So it's $29.95 per month, and they did give me a promo code, and this is valid through September. So if you use the code KITTY15, you can save 15% on your first box. So what do you get? You get 4 to 5 vegan organic beauty products, and you get it in an eco-sustainable box. Love that. There's a little note provided that talks about the company, so I'm just gonna read that really quick and we will get this box open. I don't know what's inside and I'm dying to see. It says here, we believe that every day in your willingness to give to others, your job, your family, friends, and so many more, you need to also give back to the source. We believe in nourishing your soul in your daily self-care rituals so that you are in turn able to nourish others. We carefully curate wholesome, holistic beauty products, packaged beautifully each month, delivering them right to your doorstep. Oh look, there's a little cat. So this is what it looks like when I open up the box. So there is a card on the bottom. It lists all the items along with pricing, and it looks like the box value is $104. And oh, by the way, I was just looking at the Cratejoy website and it looks like they're shipping now. So if you want this exact box, the July box and not the August, I would definitely recommend ordering it soon. I just didn't want to forget. I know you want to see what's inside first. How about we start with this? This is by Seraphine Botanicals, Mango and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. Ooh. I like the packaging. So this is $22, a highly pigmented radiance booster formulated with micronized luminizing pigments, natural mango fruit extract, and jojoba seed oil to add a wash of color and luminosity while helping keep your skin hydrating and soft. I love the sound of this. Let's get it out. Here is the compact. Ooh, I don't know what I was expecting, but it's kind of like a shimmery blush or a highlight depending on your skin tone, but look, there's a mirror too. And they even list the ingredients on the back and not just the box. I think that's nice. Let's do a little swatch. I feel like I have something else by Seraphine Botanicals. I like it. That's really pretty. That went on so easily and smooth. So I think I would use this kind of as a blush topper. I'm just gonna rub it in on my hand a little bit. Yeah, it's like a pretty, very pretty color. I'm excited to try this out. Ooh, look at the packaging on the next item. Natural L'Amour Mongolia, handmade 100% cold pressed flaxseed oil. Ooh. This item here has a retail value of $20. The description states this plumps the skin and helps to repair lackluster, flaky complexions. Used to rehydrate dry, itchy skin with its high content of essential fatty acids that prevent the skin from drying out, helping to keep it moist. I love using oils on my face, and I don't have dry skin. I have like oily type skin, or like normal, I would say. I don't know if it's oily because like where I live it's so hot, you know, or what, but point is that you can wear oils even if you have oily skin. It actually can be very beneficial. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm so excited. You guys know I'm a sucker for skincare. And how to use: after cleansing the skin, pump 2 to 3 drops into your palm and apply directly to affected areas or evenly as a full face treatment. Just gonna has a dropper here. Oh, I was like, I'm gonna try not to get it on the Seraphine Botanicals item, but I got it on there a little bit. Ooh, this feels nice. It has a fragrance, but obviously it's not artificial. It's only 100% flaxseed oil. But it feels very, very nice. It's not like too thick. And look, my hand looks so much hydrated. I always do like a little comparison in my videos. You can totally tell my skin looks more plump and hydrated like they claim it does. I'm so excited to try it on my face. Oh, I like the name of this company, Wildflower Labs Luminous Toning Spritz. This is an exfoliating toner. It's made with witch hazel, vitamin complex, lavender, and tea tree oils. And on the back it says, an exfoliating toner that helps to resurface skin and minimize the appearance of large pores while being gentle enough for daily use. Ooh, I have large pores, so anything that could help would be nice. So you close your eyes and spritz sparingly and cleanse skin. So I'm not gonna put it on now, because it looks like you spray on your face, leave it for a few minutes in order to allow it to absorb, and then you follow up with your serum and moisturizer. Wow, this is $28. Let's see how the spritz is. Oh, that's a very nice fine mist. Nice, because sometimes these smaller bottles, I found just like the mist isn't as good, but that looked great. Oh, it smells good too. I'm excited. I'll start using this tonight. And the oil. The last item. I must say, I'm really glad they use an appropriate size box for the items inside, and everything was wrapped up well, wrapped perfectly. You know, and some boxes are just way bigger than they have to be. Like, they definitely are eco-conscious. Oh, I think I've tried this brand before. Lennis Handcrafted. This is their number 10 Daytime Face Moisturizer. It has light sunscreen as well as rose hydrosol and vitamins E and B. And then it says raspberry, green tea, and carrot seed. You get 2 fluid ounces or 60 milliliters in here. I like how it looks. I feel like I got like a face balm in the past by them, but I like the scent of this. You know I love anything with sunscreen in it. And the ingredient list is super easy to read and looks like it's full of good ingredients. It does have some essential oils, but they're listed at the very bottom. Let's see what the texture's like. There is a safety seal. This has a retail value of $34. Brightens, restores, and renews the delicate skin around the eyes with evening primrose oil, vitamin E, and coenzyme Q10. At first I was about to be like, oh, you can use it around your eyes too. Honestly, you can pretty much use any moisturizer under your eyes. Some people say you don't even need a separate eye cream. You can just use your moisturizer, as in some people, I mean, like dermatologists suggest that even. I just received like 500 million eye creams in Ipsy, so I use both. Here is what the consistency looks like. Or kind of looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer. I like it. I'm gonna put this inside my arm. Oh, a little bit goes a long way. It doesn't actually smell super fragrant, like how it had some essential oil in it. Definitely not strong, so I think people that don't like fragrance, even if it's natural fragrance, that would be totally fine. And it feels, yeah, it's nice and thick. And it doesn't smell like sunscreen. What sunscreen's in here? Nice, zinc oxide. So that's a mineral sunscreen, one of my favorites, and sometimes zinc oxide can leave a white cast. This one doesn't, but this is a moisturizer I would still recommend using SPF afterwards, especially if you're going outside. I'm always into using both a moisturizer with SPF with an additional SPF product just for double coverage in case you miss a spot, but I'm excited to try this out. I really like how it feels. And again, the total retail value is $104. And I'm honestly really excited to use everything. I love that we've got both skincare and a makeup item. And I'm still looking at the swatch of this makeup item. Even with the oil over it, it still looks really pretty. I wish I wasn't wearing such a cool tone look. Maybe I might put a little bit on my face just to see. I got a new blush brush today that I think will work great with this. Ooh. I feel like it gives me like a sun-kissed appearance, like in a good way, not like sunburnt. On the other side. Yay, I like it even more now. I rarely have used the mirror in little compacts like this, but that actually really came in handy. And it's a good quality mirror too. Yay, so overall I really like this box, you guys. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And again, I will link Nourish Beauty Box in the description box along with that promo code. Definitely make sure to use that to save some money. Anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.